Right, hello everyone, we are back with another video on this beautiful car, and there'll be another special guest joining us today. It won't just be this car in the video today. Today we'll be joined by a special friend of mine who owns a E92 BMW 335i with the N54 this time. And as you know, I mentioned in my last video that I was looking at an E92 for myself. My friend that will be joining today also has a YouTube channel. I'll be linking that in the description. Go check out his videos. He does good content. He talks about his E92, does POV videos like myself, and runs you through some of the maintenance that he does to keep up a good, healthy condition car. So I've come out to Rabbit Island currently. Now I'm going to head off to his place. We'll meet up with him, and we're planning on cleaning the cars and taking them out, doing some videos, record some POVs, and we'll find a nice place to go for a little Touge. Touge? How do you say it? I don't know. Touge. I like to call it Touge. And of course, as per usual, let's get this set up. Don't want to be losing my license today. Woo! Shit. Oh man, this is why you need this car. If you're looking at buying a Lexus ISF, buy one. You won't regret your decision. You don't buy an ISF and regret your decision. I've never heard of it before. It doesn't even compare to anything, man. The V8 power, I mean, this car specifically being an 09, if you know about the ISFs, the 08s and 09s didn't come with a limited slip diff, so that's something I currently miss out on. But man, even with this open diff, if you plant your foot and you have traction control off like we do right now, and you just keep hitting onto that throttle and hit that second gear shift at the perfect time, this thing will go. This is why we buy Lexus, people. This is why we buy Lexus. And guess what? I can do all this without consequences. Not regarding my license, but regarding my car, my engine, my transmission even. Because I know without a shadow of a doubt that the car's still going to start every single morning, and I can daily drive it anywhere I like. I can go to my gym, I can go out, I can go to work. But as soon as you kick this thing into sport mode and manual mode for gearbox, it's like it has two different personalities. I can't even explain. You'd need to drive the car to know what I'm talking about. It really is a masterpiece. Oh mate, oh mate.
My brother. You know, I heard you about 5 minutes ago.
Alright, cool. I'm pulling in.
Don't pull in my driveway.
I'm obsessed with this car, bro. Someone needs to take the keys off me.
Someone needs to get a bottle of bourbon in your hand. She sounds nice. Oh,
You like that?
I do.
Oh, here he is. Oh, come on, man.
Oh, let me get that soap off the front of your car.
You do that, mate. You do that. So here we have Devon's E92 335i N54. Would you like to explain a little bit about your car, mate?
Oh, what can I say about it?
When did you buy it?
Bought it back. Oh, would have been 2 months ago now. After about, I'd say, half a month of owning it, I took it on a trip up north, up to Auckland, about a 900k run. After that, done the oil filter housing gasket. Yeah, now here we are, assessing the next problem that this thing's sure to give me. I'm so sorry, my man. It just looked too good, I couldn't help myself, you know?
How to turn off, man! Ah. Do you have a pair of gloves? It's a normal pair of gloves. I want to try something. Just literally normal gloves.
I got boxing gloves.
Not just like normal working gloves, you know.
Oh, yeah. Put these suckers on, mate.
That's the one. I'm not putting them on.
Up to mischief, mate.
You'll see. I don't know how well it works.
Oh. What are you doing, mate?
Wait. Hold up. Who needs girls when you have a Lexus ISF and 2 turbos? So yeah, she's all cleaned up now. Just went for the old rinse and wipe. Right, we'll be heading out now. Off to the gas station first.
Nah, take this way. Is that annoying?
I think that tingled something. Right, so we'll be heading to the gas station first, as Devon needs to fill up.
Hey, Freddie, can you hear me?
I can. There he is, he's behind us now. So we'll be going. Right, so we'll make a first stop at the gas station. Then afterwards we'll be heading out to a place called Takeda Hill, which is one of the places where I've already recorded a POV video on the channel. It's a super good spot. There's super good twisties and windy roads out there. And yeah, me and Devon will be heading up there and doing a little duo Touge/Touge. Again, don't exactly know how to pronounce it. Right, so we've made it to the gas station. I might as well put a little bit of fuel in case we do run a little bit low.
Look at this thing. What a menace of a car.
Did you get some good shots from behind? Not in that way. Ah, look at these. What a duo.
The yin and the yang.
The yin and the yang. We're ready to roll, fam.
We are rolling, man.
So we ran into some issues. Yeah, so we ran into an issue. I had an engine oil shortage warning light come up. We're gonna get a can of oil and fill it up a little bit. Oh shit! It's heavy duty hand cleaner, blood.
It'll actually give you butt cancer.
Serious? Oh.
I wonder if Dobby's next door.
Dobby! There we go.
There we go.
She's in the middle.
There we go. That's
Yes.
what we want to see.
Right, so we got the engine oil and we're gonna head back up to the hill now and we're gonna do a little tow run that we're promised. Devon's recording on his and he'll be uploading a similar video on his channel. So you can head over there and check that out with the link in the description. And you can go and find all the BMW and M54 content over there. And you can watch his point of view of this video. Man, this thing handles phenomenally. It just stays so planted in the corners. And for a 1700 kilo car, this car hides its weight brilliantly. And that transmission is so responsive. Again, it's like a dual personality because you'll chuck it into D and it's a torque converter gearbox, so it handles town perfectly fine. But you chuck it into sports mode and you chuck the gearbox into manual mode like I have here, and it just roars through the gears. It's incredible, especially the third to second downshift. That downshift is my favorite by far. I mean, that is just phenomenal, man.
I'm not getting any traction. My tires are definitely squealing.
Really? I'm pretty much fine here. Oh, that's the lookup we were supposed to go to. Hold up. Hello! Hey?
That was bloody good.
Fuck yeah. That's so much fun.
That road's so addictive.
I know. Let's take a nice look at this man's E92, eh? Let's take it all in.
Look at those methods. Oh, how far we've come, bro.
Yeah, how far we've come. You used to be in your red lawnmower.
I'm gonna insert that clip in here.
Yeah, I'm gonna insert that clip as well. Insert the clip of the red lawnmower. And I was driving around in my mum's BMW. Now look at us, going for good old Touge runs and filming content for YouTube. You should get your halos on. There you go. Actually, should I reverse mine up to yours, parallel to yours?
Yeah, what?
Oh fuck yeah, that looks so good.
It's currently sitting at 120 degrees.
Is it actually? Oh yeah, you're at like 110. What's he doing? What's he doing in my car? What's he doing in my car? Give it a little rev. Don't pee a pussy.
Yeah, boy. Good old girl. Mwah. You don't get a kiss after that oil filter housing.
Bad N54.
Bad N54. Imagine how much heat would be just hotboxed in there when I'm driving.
You should get the oil thermostat for it.
Yeah, I will.
Because that will lower, that will keep, like on runs like this, that will keep your oil temps down.
I watched it basically climb.
I watched my fuel drop.
The yin and the yang.
The yin and the
My oil
yang.
went up. My fuel went down.
Ready. Let's go.
That's us.
That's us. Let's go.
Do you want to lead on the way down or?
No, you know what? We'll switch it over. Catch you on the flip side. You go first. Man, let's just take a moment to appreciate Devon. He's my homeboy, you know, and I love that he's onto this content thing. He's doing the N54 content with his BMW. Did I just see an indicator? That's not a BMW driver. Right, well that was a really good run. We had a good run up the hill as the sun was coming down. And then down the hill, I mean, we had a little bit of traffic, but I'm still overall happy with the outcome. Bro, I just hit a f***ing rabbit. Hold up, I need to pull over and check my front bumper, bruv. What the fuck?
Yeah.
Bro, what the fuck? Do you have your flashlight?
At this side.
Did you see it then?
Yeah. I saw it running. I saw it then.
Yeah, and then you
like
saw
spin.
it. Yeah. Oh man. So yeah, guys, we really enjoyed filming this video. Big thank you to Devon for joining me. And one last plug, make sure you check out Devon's channel, Devon Grayson. I'll leave a link to it in the description once again. And make sure you go watch his point of view of this video because that will be just as awesome as this one. And also big thank you to Devon for hooking me up with oil when I needed it the most. So yeah, let me know if you would like me to do more collabs with Devon. I really enjoy filming content with him and I'm sure he does too. So just let us know in the comments if you'd like Devon and I to get together and do content more often. Devon and I will be heading home now. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care, love.